Well, here we go again. Another thief. Now, she's going to come over here to the chip aisle with her big purse, and she's going to look up at the counter like every thief does, but she doesn't realize that she is dealing with a professional cashier. He can, in fact, ring out customers and watch the cameras at the same time. Now, like most thieves do, she's going to look up at the counter more than once, got to make sure the cashier's busy so they can't catch you stealing. Oh man, thieves, they're so smart. Now, she's got a really big decision right here. Does she want the barbecue chips, the sun chips, or the chili cheese Fritos? So she's going to look back up at the counter for the third time. Got to get that triple verification the cashier isn't paying attention. Then she's going to look directly at the camera. Always a good idea to look at the camera right before you put something in your purse that you have no intentions on paying for. Now, like most thieves do, she's going to get something cheap to buy. You got to look like a real customer, and what better than getting a 99-cent fountain pop to wash down those chili cheese Fritos with. So we're going to try charging her for both items.
Is that it? Yeah. $2.75.
So it's a 99 cents.
I gotta charge you for what you stole.
What?
Open your bag. Come on. You were just trying to steal? Oh, you just want those? We're not getting shit. Get out of here.
That's fine too.